Hello guys, a new mining video for new mining site. Like you see, this is our homepage of the site. I open a new account. You claim bonus. Like you see, it's for a magic token. If you press here, we will get like you see here in Finance deposit and withdraw, and here we use this section to manually claim. Let's see. We have 13 magic token for energy every 5 minutes for Solana for 100 time. Also there is auto claim, there is earth ads, there is tasks, there is short links, there is mining. You can mine in your browser. Also there is dice game. We will use our script in this section. In games, in section of games, it will claim for us forever. We press in games. We will play games and earn every time 10 magic token and 10 energy with our script. Also you can do manual claim and serve ads and tasks and short links, as many as you want to have more profit from the site. For withdrawing, you must the site ask you for doing 5 short links. If you want to withdraw, it's not a problem. You can do like you see. You must complete 5 short links, and you must complete a total of 5 short links, 5 overall to make withdraw. It's not a problem. You can do short links. You can do overall, like you see. Ask you to do 5 overall and 5 like you see. You can do this overall for visit the site for 13 seconds 5 times, and doing short links, 5 short links to withdraw. This is the site how it's work. Let's go to our termux. This is our termux. Put cd magic forever. Press ls. Now we put php bot.php. Instruction on how to open a site in this in termux will be in the description. Also all the link. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. It's a good site to work with it. You will play games. Termux will play for you. Script that play games for you. Now we must complete this short link. Now we complete this short link to get the password. After that, we will start the script. Like see, our link will be in the description. Like you see, this is our short link. It's already completed. Our link will be in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. Like you see, we complete this short link to get the password. Now we will get our password. After that, we will put we'll see instruction. We return to our termux. We put our password. Then script will start. Like you see in here, we will use Q browser to get user agent and cookies using developer option. It's simple. This is the home page of our site. We open like that developer option. We just reload the page to get cookies. We must return to the home page. Like you see, we go to dashboard like that and reload the page to get cookies and user agent. Now we just reload the page. Now we go to our developer option, we select dashboard like that. Simple. We scroll down, there is cookies, we just press in it and select and copy like that. We put we just must put user agent, it's in the end. We copy like that, we put. Also you can use HTTP canary, but I prefer this, it's very simple. We select our cookies, we put our cookies. If script stops or not working, just update cookies, restart the script and put new cookies. Like see, the script is starting. We just return like that. Like you see, the script now is starting. Like you see, it's really claiming. Like you see, it's claiming for us from games. If it's stop, you can play every day like that and have more energy to play auto faucet. When you have more energy, you can open the site in the browser and let it in the night work for you, collect for you coins in auto faucet. Like you see, this is our video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another video.